How do you multiply a two-digit number by a one-digit number? You just need to multiply the one-digit number by each digit of the two-digit number, starting with the ones place. Let's see how this works with 23 times 4. Start by multiplying the ones place. 3 times 4 equals 12. Write the 2 in the ones place below and carry the 1 to the tens place, above the 2 in 23. Now multiply the tens place. 2 times 4 equals 8. Add the 1 that we carried. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Write the 9 in the tens place below. So 23 times 4 equals 92. Let's try another example. 36 times 5. Multiply the ones place. 6 times 5 equals 30. Write the 0 in the ones place below. Carry the 3 to the tens place. Multiply the tens place. 3 times 5 equals 15. Add the 3 that we carried. 15 plus 3 equals 18. Write 18 in the hundreds and tens place below. So 36 times 5 equals 180. When multiplying a two-digit number by a one-digit number, multiply the ones place first, then the tens place. Remember to carry when needed and add any carried digits. One important reminder, don't forget to add the number you carried. After you multiply the tens place, you must add any digits that were carried over. Now it's your turn. Let's multiply 47 times 6. Let's work through it together. First, multiply the ones place. What is 7 times 6? It's 42. Write the 2 in the ones place. How many tens do we carry? We carry 4. Write a small 4 above the tens place. Now multiply the tens place. What is 4 times 6? It's 24. Now add the 4 that we carried. What is 24 plus 4? Yes, 28. Write 28 in the hundreds and tens place. So 47 times 6 equals what? It's 282. To multiply a two-digit number by a one-digit number, multiply the ones place first, then the tens place. Remember to carry and add any carried digits.